Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KGKG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, but want to get things updated here as a pretty significant volume day and then price action wise. So let's first start with levels of support. In the area of support that, I don't want to say is obvious, because if you've never seen a chart before, then you wouldn't recognize that, but that really stands out is right down here at point 0.128. So you look down here and you can see that on two separate occasions, both earlier on in the day and then during the final 30 minutes of the day right here, the bears try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. So as of right now, that is going to be, definitely that key and preferable area of support going forward. Now, in the event the price cannot hold above there, well, that actually makes more sense why the price is bouncing from there. Why do I say that? Well, now that we have a little bit more data, you can see that the price has actually bounced from this area several times before. So good to see that once again, this area is indeed holding as support. In the event that level does no longer hold as support though, next key overarching level of support would be down here at 0.127. So that, keep an eye on these couple levels, and I think I'll just leave it at that because as of right now, this level is looking pretty strong. So we'll see if that can hold up or not. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward as far as the near-term level, and it's all about that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period simple moving average. And this is just based on a rule which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, because the price was up above that pink line, you would expect it to act as support, and it did temporarily, but after the price fell below it, then yeah, like I said, it just went right back to acting as resistance. In the event the price can push up through that pink line, the next key overarching level of resistance would be that purple line up there, which is the 50 period simple moving average. So overall, a rougher day, but good to see that the bulls, held strong here. Maybe some sort of double bottom pattern has taken shape here. So we'll see how the rest of this week plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.